Hello, guys. Hello. Today we are here, and today I want us to speak about psychology, guys. Trading psychology, right? Today's session is not even about trading. I just want us to speak today. So yeah, let's just wait for a couple of people to come in the stream, and then we'll start talking, guys. But yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome to the channel. This is my journey. This is me documenting my journey. Um, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the boy. And I'm not just asking for your like, guys. You can test drive my content. If you like what you see, then you can give the boy a sub. All right. Yeah. So yesterday was very crazy trading. Yeah, but yeah, we are here today. I want us to speak about psychology. So let's talk, guys. To everybody, you must come in and join. Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat, guys. This is what we're here for. This is what we do. You need to be motivated every day. So yeah, guys, come on, let's go. Let's go. We're just gonna wait for a couple of people to come in and join, and then yeah, and then we'll start the session of today. Yeah, but I'm gonna make it in two parts, right? I'm gonna stream now and then cut it and then come back again and stream because I'm gonna be busy for like an hour or two, and then I'm gonna come back to the stream. Then we'll stream the whole day after that. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited about today's topic, psychology. We are here, guys. And by the way, guys, we're on a road to 500 subscribers, guys. If you haven't subscribed, I'm gonna repeat it again. Please give the boy a sub. It's free, guys. It's free. So we're helping each other grow here. To like and subscribe, it's free. It's free of charge, guys. Doesn't cost you anything. But yeah, in the future, yeah, once we hit the required amount or the requirements of what needs to happen, then we're gonna start having um, what exclusive content, right? Only content for the people that are gonna be subscribers and things like that, but they can only join if they join as members on my channel. But yeah, that we'll see when we get there. But for now, this is the content you'll be pushing. We'll do this live on the channel until we get there, and then this will start being exclusive content, right? But yeah, let's go. Okay, let me see, let me try and get them guys to come here on the channel. Yeah, guys, welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. If you have questions also of how you started forex, you can please share with us, and what keeps you going. As I left there, with how did you start forex, and what keeps you going, right? This video might help someone else, so yeah, guys, let's get in them, people. You must leave a like for the boy there. Please leave a like on the channel, on the video too. No, yeah, leave a like on the video, yeah, so more people can see this type of content that we're pushing, and how we trying to motivate each other and push each other to be, where we want to be. But yeah, guys, we are here today. This is gonna be two parts, right? I'm gonna stream now, and then I'm gonna be busy later a little bit. Maybe I can leave the stream running, and then go be busy, and then come back again, and then continue. All right, we'll continue with the thing. Yeah. So today I want us to speak about psychology, guys. Psychology. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We'll give it a few minutes, guys. If you're watching this after the stream, please forgive me. We'll just stream for a couple of minutes, nyana, just so that people can see the stream and start joining. Then we'll start. We'll start. We'll start. But yeah, guys, we are here. We are here today. We are live streaming. All right, guys, we're still waiting for people to come on the stream, and then we'll start. But yeah, no. Otherwise, me, guys, I'm good. Can't complain. Forex, it is what it is. You know, um, I've been in this journey, man, trying to change my life. Yeah, so this is my journey, I'm documenting my journey, right? uh, yeah, so this is me documenting my journey, guys, of how to become success, not even how to become, of my journey to becoming successful, you know. Yeah. And plus long weekends are coming up, this week is gonna be a long weekend for people, you know. For us, we are always here, guys. Put it in a, please tell me where it is. I came from rag to riches, and I escaped every one of these beats, cause I was supposed to be rich. I'm just telling you how it is. Put it in the bag. You know where the bag is. Tell me where it is. We're just waiting for people to join the stream. Then we'll start. We'll start, guys. We'll start. Yeah, but yeah, guys, we are here today. We are here on zero. Sometimes I would even be speaking in Zulu, but I know some of my guys cannot speak Zulu that are following me here. So I can't be selfish, man. I can't be selfish and be speaking Zulu. I need to speak in an international language so everybody can hear us and understand and join and, be having a conversation. We are having a conversation. I can no longer discuss. No, we're just having a conversation today about psychology when trading, so we're just waiting for people to come in and join the stream, then we'll start this um, today's topic. Today is actually, I just want us to talk, guys. I want us to talk, you know. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Leave a like. Oh, but this thumbnail is not 100%, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Where are my people today? Guys, what's happening? What's happening, guys? Where are you guys? Oh, nobody wants to join today, guys. What's happening, guys? What's happening? Oh, you don't want to speak about psychology? Hey, man. These topics are needed in trading, guys. We need it. We need it. We need it. We need this type of conversations in Forex, guys. So just tell me how you started Forex and what keeps you going, my man. And then, yeah. Oh, guys, what keeps you going? Why did you start Forex? And what keeps you going? Why? Why did you start? Uh, who told you there was money here? And why did you start? And why? What keeps you going also? I must please let the boy know in the comments there. You know where the bag is? Tell me where it is. Okay, let me do this while we wait. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. Today I want to speak about psychology. This is just me busy while I'm waiting for people to join the stream, right? Guys, you can join. Let me know in the comments down below why you started forex and what keeps you going today. That's what I want to speak about today. What keeps you going, guys, so we can help people to see what keeps us going and all of that. Yeah, I'll also share my story, but for now I just want to hear from your side, guys. And please don't forget to like the video, guys. Please like the video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the boy. Give the boy a sub. I'm also trying to design something for um, the channel, you know. So we are here. We are here. This looks nice. I don't know if I can change this. It's gonna be a problem. Today, guys, I wanna speak about psychology, right? Psychology. So just waiting for more guys to join. Then we'll start the talk. Right? We'll start talking, and then we'll take it from there. Let me move this to this side for now. Yeah, I think we're good. So I can see my screen here. You know where the bag is? Tell me where it is. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream, guys. I want us to talk today about psychology, trading psychology, right? I want us to talk about that. But as I said, I'm gonna break this video into two parts, right? There's gonna be a part one, this one that we're busy with right now, and then there's gonna be part two, right? And then yeah, we'll see from there. Excuse me. We'll see from there. I can no longer disguise and I escaped everyone cause I was supposed to be rich. I'm just telling you how it is. I I don't know what's going on. Yeah, nah. People are coming and going here on the stream. Maybe they don't want me to be doing other things here. They just want to focus about trading. It's still good though, but it's still a forex video. You know, I'm not saying we're not gonna be speaking about forex. We are speaking about forex. That's why we're here, guys. You know, but this is my journey documenting it. So all of these things I do, you know, yeah. I'm busy sending me messages, yeah. But it's all good. Yeah. You see now, Goldish yesterday also, they did their own thing. This was the news pushing it up and pushing it down. It was very aggressive, this move going up, right? They hit 25.90 yesterday, which was my around where my TP was, and then they dropped it. They gave us a first leg here. They gave us my neckline. and then second leg during the Asian session. But now, see what they're doing. There's the box strategy, right? I've explained it in the channel. This box strategy, this is very tricky. What they are doing right now, because I'm seeing one, two, three pushes up, right? So I don't know if they trapping, but you see they made a W on top of the 800 EMA, which tells us that this is almost like our peak formation for the W to go up for this week. Yesterday was Wednesday, right? So this we can say was the midweek reversal. All right. And look at this, how much they played this whole day here until 8 o'clock at night, and then they started pushing the candle up and then dropped to yo. Imagine if you took the buy here, you got it all the way up here, and then you were still hoping they're going up. They dropped it even much aggressively, and then create your W and then go up again. But if you bought here, you took your profit, you sell, and then you took your trade again, you killed it. But yeah, this is one, this is two, and this is three. Uh, so one of two things might happen here now. All right, so they might come back down, give us a setup, all right, on top here to buy up, or they might give us a M pattern and then drop it. So but you see now, since they pushing three pushes like this ish, it's very tricky for us. Now we just have to wait and see. And these pushes, they started it in the London session, I mean the Asian session. Right now we in the London session, right? Yeah, as I always say, it's around, you see they open around 9:30 to 10 here in South Africa. That's when our London session opens. You see in the graph here it says 10. That was the 10 o'clock candle. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we are here, guys. We are here. Um, and actually, these look like pushes, but for the fact that yesterday they dropped it so much and then came back up again, eh, it's telling us that they are moving up. We are going up. We are going higher and higher. But what might happen is this zone here, this high of the day, the double blue tracer here. And you see the worst part, the ADR now is also blown out. You see, they say they've covered the ADR because they hit that low ADR there and then they pushed it all the way to the top ADR. So we'll see how gold behaves. And it's only just after the news that they started having momentum, because if you can see, we were like almost in a consolidation yana here. I'll just move the background, then we're making it thicker. You see, it was almost like we were in a consolidation here, and then yesterday, okay, let's start from New York yesterday, and then they started doing this heavy moves. They widened the swing, they hit up and down, they hit it up, they hit it down, then they made a W pattern here, Yeah, so they might be pushing it up. We might be going even further than what they did. Yeah, but if you were to take a trade, you must wait for the secondary entry. As I always say, they might come back down here to give us the neckline is here, right? But when I'm looking at it, this was like the pullback down here. But they might still come back and do this on the neckline here. So I'm expecting them to come to the 50 range. All right, so we're expecting them to do something like this before we go up again. Yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the boy. Right, this is all about trading, guys, but today I wanted us to speak about psychology, guys. So you know let me know here in the comments also why you started trading and what keeps you going. Why do you keep going even when you are blowing your account? Or why do you go? Why do you keep going? What's pushing you to keep going? Yeah, is it the money? What is it? Or is it you saw that your strategy is working, you just over risked and then they took you out? What is the reason for you to keep going? Yeah, but this was a very nice W pattern, right? On top of the 800 EMA on the blueberry. Very nice W. Some will call it a double bottom, but you see, this leg went lower. Oh yeah, see what I always also say. Look at how they spiked out almost out of the bands, and then the second leg is inside. But sometimes this might be even lower than the first one, but it will still be inside the bands, right? And then they say once they've crossed the market baseline here, that's when you take your trade. Actually, those are Steve's rules. And once they close above the 13 EMA, so the first candle to close above the 13 EMA was this candle, so your entry is actually supposed to be here, right? That's where your entry is, and then your stop loss down below the structure. uh, yeah. Yeah, guys, so if you have any questions, guys, yeah, you must let the boy know. And how do we get the entries? Because as I'm explaining now, you see, this is how the entry is given to us, right? You only take the trade once they close above the 13 EMA. Until then, you don't take the trade. But for us, sometimes we take it. See, these were roll tracks, right? uh, they look they look like railroad tracks. Not that they are railroad tracks. See these two candles here? This is how a train track looks like. That's why we call them the railroad tracks. Man, but yeah. And then so they close above the 13 EMA. And then that's when you take your entry. And then we move. Then we move. We move. We move. And if you took the trade there, you've been already into much nice profit. Let me see. What's the run? Almost 200, 270 pips, 200 and something pips, right? If you have any questions, guys, please feel free to ask. Don't be afraid, guys. These opportunities, I always say, these opportunities come once in a life sometimes, guys. You're not always gonna be here, guys. Guys, we're not always gonna be here. So you must push now and make what you make of everything that we're trying to push now. Because later, there might be no opportunity for you to be able to have this type of talks. No, to be able to ask someone. You know how much I wish that when I was starting my journey, that I had someone that I would ask questions. Okay, the entry was during Asian. Uh, we might get our entries on New York. Okay, we might get our entries in New York. Let me see your question properly. In New York. Oh, I'm also waiting for him to pull back. You're waiting for him, my guy. Yeah, no, no problem. But yeah, you see, the as I always say, guys, these type of things also would happen in Asian session. But if you are sleeping and you don't catch the trade, relax, don't rush it, let the market come to you, guys, right? Let the market come to you, and then you take your entry. And this pullback actually is gonna be our secondary entry, because we were supposed to come in here. Steve says we don't trade the Asian session, but sometimes they do make the setups during the Asian session. So if for me they make the setup, you take it. No hesitation, you take the setup, right? Because once they close above the 13 EMA, after they've given you first leg, come back, second leg, and then the close above the 13 EMA, you take the trade, right? And you see, after this whole momentum of the news that was happening yesterday, right? Yeah. But yeah, guys, don't be afraid, guys. As I was saying, guys, please don't be afraid to ask questions. That will help you. So as I was saying, I also wish when I was starting out, I had someone to help me, or to ask, okay, bruh, so if here is like this, what do I do? What do I do in this example? If they playing like this, what do I do? If I take my entry, how long should I hold my entry? Right? So that's what I'm saying, guys. So don't be afraid, guys. Don't be afraid. Ask your questions right now. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, you know. Even with the guys that are gonna be joining the seminar, we're gonna be breaking down a lot of things in the seminar, and then afterwards, I wish like the channel was already I've already met the requirements, so that even on the channel we can be able to post these things, right, for people to see. But only for the members that are gonna be the people that are gonna be members on the channel. But yeah, don't worry, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there, right? Yeah, so tell me, lunga lunga Stole, tell me, brah, how did you start forex, and why do you keep going? What keeps you going? Maybe your testimony might help someone here. Maybe someone out there is trying to give up, is not getting results, is suffering, whatever, right? So let us know why you keep going. What keeps you going? Even after you blow your account, how do you handle that psychology? Where is your mindset when you blow your account, and how do you recover and come back and trade again? Because to be honest with you, I've once taken a trade, right, and I lost a lot of money. I think I lost like 10,000 rand in South African rand, not 10 USD, not 10,000 USD, 10,000 rand in South Africa, right? After that, bruh, like I was scared. I was scared to take another trade. Like I couldn't take a trade. Like I would watch the market. I'm like, there's my setup, but I couldn't click and take the trade. Like it was tough for me to get out of that, right? But yeah, I ended up getting out of it by starting trading small, right? So I started trading small. As you know, guys, for me, I don't like the demo. I don't trade the demo here. I don't trade the demo account. Right, so I had to come back with money. Then when I came back, that's when I started falling in love with this $10 thing, right? Funding $10 and trying to grow my $10 account, because yeah, nah. And I'm not saying that I deposited 10,000. No, I deposited maybe like 1.5. Then I grew the money to 10,000 rand. Then I saw flames. Yeah, I saw flames. I blew that account. After me blowing that account, it was hard for me to take another trade. It was super hard. Yo, I remember, like, I think I was like 2 3 weeks couldn't take a trade for 2 3 weeks. Imagine 2 and 3 weeks you can't take a trade. You can't take a trade. You can't execute. You see your setups happening, but you are afraid. You are afraid because you are afraid to lose money. You see, so that's why for me, I'm like, guys, what keeps you going? Why did you start Forex in the first place? And what keeps you going? What's that one thing that say, no, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing? You'll eventually get there. And how do you fight that psychology after you blow your account? Alright. Because for me, as I said, I had to go lower. I had to lower my risk. Because obviously, a lot of the times I see that we trade, né? You start making money. Maybe let's say you'll get in here, you make your money, they come back, give you a nice clean another W, small W here, you take it, you still holding this one, né? You take it, then you take profit here. Then you are good, you are like, I now I'm on fire. Then you start risking your whole account, like, and then you start risking more, because it's also very difficult to stay disciplined, right? Me, I won't lie to you, that's the most difficult thing to ever do in Forex, to be disciplined. Yo, you see, if we were all disciplined, I'm telling you, we would be killing it. We would be making a lot of money. We would be making a lot of money, right? But now the problem is we can't be disciplined, and this thing kills us as traders, because you have your rules. You can even paste them here, or paste them on your forehead here, paste your rules here, so you see them. Maybe you in the mirror there, you see them, or you paste them on your mirror every day. When you look at yourself, you see your rules. You're like, okay, I'm gonna use a 0.02 to trade. Come in the market and see. Once you start seeing your setup, you're like, nah, here I'm risking. You start holding in lot sizes, and then you get bent. You see, and then that's what's difficult, and that's what's painful to see, right? But yeah, guys, please share, guys. Don't be afraid, guys. Please don't be afraid, guys. Share why you started and what keeps you going, and what's the most struggle that you've went through. Okay. Uthi LOL, brother, I love this trading thing. I experienced fear as well. Back in 2020, trading gold, I pushed to 1k. I pushed 1k to 20k. Jesus, imagine. Never redrew, ended up blowing. My psychology got fucked up since then. You see, since then. So, hi, bro. You're telling me you're still suffering from that? I still keep going because I believe it will get me out of the hood. No, definitely, Brane. Definitely it will. But remember, you can't let that one loss. If you took 1k to 20k, right? In your mind, you can do it again. You can do it again, right? You can do it again. It's just that now there's fear that, yeah, I might lose 20k. All right. But overall, you maybe, let's say you deposited that 1k, right? That 1,000 rand that you put in, and then you pushed it to 20k. But as I always say, guys, please make withdrawals. Right, once you've doubled your account, take out your initial deposit and trade with their money. because when you trade with their money, it makes it much simpler for you. You trade with ease because you're not using your own money, you're using their money, right? And then that way you keep moving. You must always make withdrawals. This thing of saying what you're not gonna make withdrawals, you're pushing the account to what numbers is gonna kill us. Because now, remember also, the more you grow bigger, right, the more risk you want to take. You're gonna say, no, now I'm trading a 20k account. Now, man, I can open 5 lot sizes, man. I can open 10 lot sizes. And that's what kills us. You must open one sometimes, even if you just increase your lot size, but just open one. Because this thing of having 5 trades running at the same time, bah, 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 like you go full money, like you're doing this when you buy. Chief, hey, that thing is gonna burn us. I wanted financial freedom, right? But it's been difficult. I'm trying to learn. You wanted financial freedom. Okay, financial freedom you get, but you have to work for it. You must remember, nothing comes easy, right? You have to have rules and you have to be disciplined, my guy. You have to be disciplined, because once you're disciplined, a lot can change. Because let's say you're saying with, okay, you want financial freedom, but also you need to have something that's going to help you get to that financial freedom, right? You take some money. That's why they also say don't put your eggs in one basket, right? Find other things that you can invest this money. Let's say you, like this guy, you take your account from 1k to 20k. You're like, okay, Sharp, I'm gonna take out 10k and leave 10k to continue trading. What are you gonna do with that 10k to make sure that you are not in the same position ever again, that you are growing from this 10k or from this 20k and never going back to where you were, right? So that's what we need to think about, and that's how we need to think, right? We need to think of ways we can do this thing to move, to keep moving us to a better, to become better and better and better, right? Because trust me, if you're gonna put your whole money into forex and not have something that's gonna help you generate money also, you're gonna have a tough time. And some of us, you wanna leave work, right, and do this thing full time. So we have to have a balance. I'm also trying. I'm not saying, guys, I'm perfect, right? I'm also trying to get to that position that I wanna be, right? I'm also trying. I'm working on things. Working on funding other things on the side, because as you know on the channel, guys, I also have a car wash. I've shown it before, how we run our car wash and things like that, right? So for us to get to that position that we want, we have to think differently, guys. We have to think differently. You can't think the same as other guys. Because, for example, I'll give you a small psychological thing, right? You're going out with your friends, ne? When you're going out with your friends, you have money, they have money, right? They spending, right? They go to McDonald's. You, in your mind, you know what you need to do with the money, right? But now they're going to McDonald's, they buying things, they buying new shoes. You also now start feeling the pressure of buying. You didn't want to buy. For example, I didn't want to buy anything, but now I'm buying because my friends are buying. This is not right. You need to be disciplined with that. Like, guys, no, Sharp, it's fine. If you wanna buy a McD, go buy a McD. Me, I'm working on my life like this. I'm preparing this and this and this and this, right? So I cannot be spending money like how you guys are spending. There's my time. My time will come, right? My time will come. Then I'll also spend. But for now, I'm still building. I'm trying to be financially free. I'm trying to break out of the 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 generational curses they put on us, that you'll never be successful, you'll never be rich, and what. So that's the thing, guys, right? Yeah. I wanted financial. Okay, I read that one. From 2021, I was working a retail job. I only quit that job this year, March. So I'm full time trading now. You see, so if you are full time trading now, you need to have things backing you up, so that you know you have money, right? Because even if you take money, then you invested um, in a bank, right? You take that money, you put it in a bank, right? And then you fix that money in a bank, you save it there, then you get interest from it. Let's say even if it's $20 that you are getting, which is 400 rand. I don't know the calculations how much you need to put in to get to get 400 rand, but you can go into the Capitec app and do the estimations there, and then they'll tell you, right? You're getting 400 rand from your money is still safe. Your money is still there. It's not going anywhere, right? It's not being chowed. It's not anything. Your money is there, and it's growing, right? As it's growing, you getting that 400 rand every month, right? You use that 400 rand to fund your account. And let's say you fund your account and you grow your account, right? You growing your account, so you cannot say even next month you're gonna take that 400 rand and go trade with it. This month you leave it to grow. Then your money grows. Nini, it's 500. Nini, it will be 1,000. So now you start thinking differently. You have your account, you're trading it, and then this side you also have your money growing in your account, right? You're growing your account in Capitec, you're also growing your funding, your trading account. So it's double, it's helping you. Even if you blow, you won't have that, you won't be psychologically defeated, right? Or now being scared to take trades now, because it happens, guys. It has happened to me. That's how I know it happens, right? So that's how we need to fight for these things. There's other things also you can invest in. Some of us have family, right? Immediate family, right? Let's say your brother or sister, right, has a business or is thinking about a business. Why not also give him the money or give her the money to go start whatever she wants to start? You are investing in her now, but it's also you investing in yourself if you're investing in her. And in business, it works like Uguti. When you invest money, your initial deposit has to come back to you before we can start looking at profits, right? Once your initial deposit comes back, then we can sit down in a board meeting or sit down here with your system, like, okay, sister, you've brought back my money. Now, how much are you willing to give me from your business? Or even from the start, you talk about the percent. Let's say she gives you 10% of her business. Okay, sharp. After she's given you your initial deposit, then you take your 10%, right? From your 10% that you're getting, if it's something that's growing, right? It's not just you keep taking out money also. Then you start doing other things for the business, also growing it, sharing it, advertising it and things like that. And then it's boosting the business. You're both eating at the end of the day. But if you never gave her the money, you guys will not be there, right? So that's how we need to think. We cannot think. That's how we break generational curses, guys. We can't keep saying no, everyone for himself, they must see themselves. If you are at a position where you can help, you must help. Why not help, right? You never know, that help might be some. Okay, it's everything is a risk. You putting money in forex is a risk also. You might blow it. You putting money in her business, you might blow it. She might lose the business, right? So it's a win. It's a win or lose situation. But if you do win, it's gonna be even much better, because now you have an income that's coming. Even if I leave my work, I know my brother is working there. She or he has a business there. I can be able to get something, even if it's $10 that I'm getting a month. It's still fine. All right, let's say I invested 500 rand and I'm getting just $10 from that business. It's fine, guys. That's how you grow. Because from that $10 you're getting, you have money to fund every month. And then once you start growing your account, you don't need to fund every month. That money comes into your pocket. Right? When it's coming into your pocket, it's growing, it's growing. Slowly, when you enter a trade and you see drawdown of $4 or $5, how do you control your emotions and tend to freak? I tend to freak and feel like closing the trade. I guess it is psychological help. Psychology help me help us in this. Or I guess it is psychological help us with this. Oh, I guess it is psychologically. Help us with this. Yeah, you see, that's what I'm saying, guys. Right? You see your comment. That's what I love, bruh. That's what this video is about today. That's what I want, guys. You see, if you guys are sharing what you are sharing, someone might get help with this, right? So I'ma tell you, right? I'ma tell you. So let's say now I analyze, right? I analyze my graph. The thing is, we are staying in the market for long and we're not supposed to do that. Once you've taken your trade, actually you're supposed to move out of the market and not be distracted by what's happening, right? That's why there's things like stop loss. So if you're saying you're willing to lose 10, for example, and you had $5 loss, right? We need to build that mindset that I'm not gonna take out this trade until they get to where I said they're gonna get, or until my loss is reached, right? So drawdown, it's gonna happen, guys. Remember, even when you enter a trade, it's not in blue screen same time. Sometimes you enter a trade, it's negative. All your trades you're gonna take, they're gonna start in a negative. Even if you're trading the news where it's gonna spike fast, ne? When you enter, then it's immediately blue screen after a minute. But if when you execute that trade is in a negative, so we need to know, we need to teach ourselves that to be comfortable with a negative, right? But that's why they're saying don't hold your losers too long. Have rules in place. Okay, sharp, I'm seeing my W here, right? Now I'm just speaking. Okay, I see my W pattern or my double bottom, right? And then after that, after using your double bottom, you're like, okay, I'm gonna take the trade. And then the trade doesn't go your way. You must be comfortable with that loss because you've done everything you think you can do, right? You've done everything. If you followed all your rules and you still take an L, that's good. It's a good L, right? Because you followed your rules. But if now you didn't follow your rules, obviously that's not a good L, right? But if you followed your rules to the T, you must take that loss with confidence. You must take it with confidence, guys. All right. So that's the thing that will separate you from other traders, because you see, once you start growing, $50 or $100, a $10 loss is not gonna kill you if you are aiming for 20 or 50, or mean 40 to 50 USD in one trade, and $10 is killing you. And then there's a problem, right? There's a problem. But anyway, let me put the phone, the laptop in the charger. It will switch off now. Just quick, and then we'll continue. How do you handle news? Yesterday it really messed my account and it was late. Okay, I'll talk about it now. Let me just put the laptop in the charger. Yeah. Okay. So you see, ne, what I'm gonna say is you need to know. You need to know when the news are coming. You need to know. That is you, every day, or every, when the beginning of the week starts, you go check the news, right? Check the news. But for me, as I always say, the news that move the most are the red news, the high volatility news, right? The others, don't look at them, right? Let me even go here. Let's open a new tab, right? Oh, foot it's here. Don't even have to go far, right? You come here, you look at the news every day, bruh. Every day, you see how it's all red for me, because that's the only news I wanna see. The rest of the other news I don't wanna see. Let me put this here so we can discuss this. Go to yesterday. You see, so yesterday was the FOMC, right? So this news, you know, they're always volatile, right? So what happens is, when news are coming, it's either if you're in profit, you must secure your trade, right? Not saying you take it out, secure it, meaning put things in place with, okay, it's in maybe $15 profit. I'll just put my stop loss at break even. And if they hit it, you wait, because sometimes you only trade after the news. After the news has happened, then you come in and trade, right? That's the rules with the BTMM rules. We don't trade before the news, we trade after the news, after they've done the damage. Because you see, like if we waited for the news to finish, then they gave us this nice W pattern. I know we were sleeping around this time when this entry happened, but if we waited and then we got this, we were gonna be good, right? So you come in here every day, or once a week. When Monday is there, you come in, you check your news, you know, okay, Wednesday there's this, Thursday there's this, um see, today, Thursday, and then Friday, tomorrow, there's no USD, so there's no news for us if you're trading gold. Today, Thursday, there's the unemployment claims only, right? So you look at it this every day, and you know 2:30. So 2:30, you need to come in and check and watch how your trade is moving. If you're in profit, secure it. If you're not in much that profit, rather close it and wait for the news to finish. Especially if, excuse me, especially if you don't know, or you're not sure of the news yet, because sometimes, you know, you're not sure about the news, right? So that's why I'm saying don't trade the news for now until you understand. You see, once you know the structure, all right, the structure is very important. Once you learn the structure and you know, okay, this is what they're gonna do, this is what they're gonna do, then you can easily trade the news easily, because you know the direction of the news all the time. For me, I don't even look at the news, you know. Some, no, I do look at the news, but like, not like some people will go inside here, right? How do they open this thing again? Oh, some people will go in here, look at all of these in and what's this, analyst or whatever, all of these stats, right? They look at this with, okay, it's 17% job losses and what. No, chief, that's not gonna help you. Me, I look at the structure of what they are doing. If they give me a W, I know they're going up. If they give me an M pattern, I know they're dropping. And especially if they give me my M pattern just before the news, and then I can sell with confidence. You see, if yesterday they gave us this W and then the news were coming, we were gonna buy clean and then let the market move, right? Yeah, so that's how we handle the news. Two ways. If you're in profit, secure your trade. All right. If you're in deep profit, secure your trade by putting your stop loss at break even. Rather be at break even. Rather let them hit your break even. Even if you're making $40, $50 profit, rather let them hit your break even, because then at least you know you can come back tomorrow, your account is still safe. And don't feel good, no, you've lost $40, $50. No, don't worry about that. The money will still come if you know what you know. If you imagine, if you didn't trade yesterday and then today you come in with a clean mind, let's say you didn't blow your account, they just hit your break even, you're like, all right, sharp, I'm gonna move away. You come back in with a clean mind, you're like, okay, today it's a clear mind, what are they doing? Then you look for your setups, and then that's all it is. All right. So what kills us is good, sometimes even when you lose money, you want to revenge trade. We do that a lot of times. Revenge trading is very dangerous. Once you take a loss, move away. You know, take a loss, you move away. Even if you make profit, you move away. Don't sit there like, okay, I made $100 today, yeah, let me push it to 200. No, chief. If you've made your profit, move away. Move away. Rather play with your account, which, okay, now since I've made this money, let's say you deposited 20. That day you took a risk trade and you put your account at 100, and now it's at 120, right? You made 100 profit. Now you sit down, you're like, okay, since I don't want to redraw the money right now, let me move it to my wallet or move it to a different account where I know this account I'm not trading as yet. I'm only focusing on this 100 account, then you put your $20 away, right, in your account or in your wallet. In your trading, it's still in your broker. There's wallets that you can put in your money in, right? And then you put it there, then you leave it, then you come back with a clean mind, and then you trade again, right? So that is also gonna help, because as I always say, guys, you need to make withdrawals. It's very super important. Once you make profit, make withdrawals. So okay, even if you teach yourself, every day I'm gonna start with $20, right? So every time you make profit of $30, $50, you take that 20 out, or you take that 30 or 50 that you make out, you start again with $20. So if, let's say, you are good at doing that, then do it. Because now, if you are good at taking accounts from $10, I mean from $20, or even 10 to 100, and when you had 100, you don't know how to take 100 to 10, to 1,000, right? So you need to stick to 100, I mean 10. Go back to 10, trade your 10, go back to 10. Once you make profit, go back to 10. Keep putting that money away. It's still growing at the end of the day. It's still going to your 1,000 mark, right? That's why also you must have goals. With, okay, today, this is, every day, this is how much I'm willing to make, and this is how much I'm willing to lose. That you must never leave. If the losing part, you must never leave out. I'm willing to lose $10 out of my 50 USD account. I'm willing to lose 10 to make how much? 40 or 50 to double my account, for example. But I'm willing to lose 10. All right, and then yeah, you'll be good. Yeah, I really fear trading gold. What other pairs can you suggest for better? For better what? Suggest for better BTMM results. Any pairs? Sorry guys, let me answer this call. Yeah, you see guys, now I'm back, ne? But um yeah guys, as I said, I'm gonna make this into two parts, right? So this was part one, right? This is part one. I think for me, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave the stream running for now, right? I'm gonna go open for my mother there at the gate, and then we'll be busy with whatever. Probably I'll leave the stream running, so you see whatever that happens, right? And then I'll come back for the second session. Maybe I'll end the stream and then start again, but I'll let this one run and then come back again and then start the stream talking again, and then we continue with the psychological thing, right? Psychology is very important in trading, guys. Remember, it's very, very super important, right? So yeah, let me go open for my mom there at the gate, and then yeah, I'll be back, guys. I'll be back, so you can continue watching the stream here, or leave comments. I'll read your comments, I'll mark them and answer them in the part two video that we're gonna be doing. But yeah, or even if I don't end the video, I'll come back and resume the stream. But I don't know how you guys gonna see that I'm back now. But yeah, just keep coming and checking the stream, and then yeah. But yeah, anyway guys, please don't forget to like the video, guys. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate every single one of you and asking me questions. I really love it, guys. I love what I do, so that's why I love your questions, and I hope I'm getting to teach you something. All right, I hope you're learning from this experience, guys. Not just that we are just here talking bullshit. I hope you're learning something. And yeah, for me, guys, yeah, I'll come back for the next thingy. I would advise you to open a micro account, bro. It will reduce your fear. Yeah, yeah, true, brah, true, 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 Lunga. You are right. You see, the guy is even advising you, Guti, you must open a micro account, right, and trade it there. But with gold, remember, ne, you can trade any pair with the BTMM strategy, right? You can trade any pair. You can trade. Steve usually says GPB USD is good with the BTMM. It follows BTMM rules a lot, right? But a lot of these pairs do follow these rules. You just have to learn how to see it, right? Because for me, I learned how to see gold. I know how gold moves, and I know how what to do and what to look for, right? If they don't do what I'm saying they do, then I don't trade. I move away. That's what I always say, guys. You see what we did here? We marked, right? You see, here I marked everything. I marked, and this is my prediction. They're gonna come down and then go up. So that's how you know, Guti, okay, this is what we are looking for. If they don't do this, then we don't trade, right? The more you do this, imagine if you write 90% of the time, then you start gaining confidence on what you are trading, right? And yeah, reduce your, get another account, open a micro account, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah, even if you're in South Africa, you can still open a micro account, my boy. You can, bruh. You can. Go to your broker. But that's what I always say, guys, please join my broker, guys. I'm not just saying that because I want you to join my broker. No, join Just Markets. You can have your broker also, but also have it there. Register, and then when you want to trade gold properly, go trade with Just Markets. I swear to you, you'll see beautiful things. Because even the spread is low, everything is nice there. So yeah, guys, do that. Goals, go trade, go open an account with Just Market. Go into the Telegram group, the link is there, and some of the videos in my channel have the link. Just subscribe, I mean, just click on the link and register there, and then with gold, just use that to trade gold. Then you can go to your other brokers to trade whatever you want to trade. I don't mind that. Even your US 30 or what, it's fine. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not in South Africa. No, it's still fine. It's still fine. It's still fine. Still fine. You can still register with the broker and trade it like that, right? But yeah, guys, let me go. Let me go. Ish, my mom is waiting there at the gate. I'll come back, guys. I promise. I promise. I promise. I'm coming back, guys. I'll be back now.